So here we have our latest Airbnb installment for the variety of bird known as the Bananaquits. Let's go and have a look at some others. Well, hello and welcome. It's Amanda here, and in this video we are looking at several birds' nests that have been popping up in the garden. And here is another one just here. So these kind of nests are made by, and I'm going to move back just in case they're feeling threatened, by a bird called the Bananaquit, and it's got a yellow breast, and they're kind of smaller than sparrows. So we have another one, breezy out here. We have another one. You might even get to see one of the birds. We've got another. I'm going to have to move back, but then you're in the light of the sun. Let's see if we can do this. There's another one just there. Now, I did see yesterday there's so we've got about 4 active nests here in the garden, and there's another one just there. Let's try and get closer. Now this particular nest, yeah, it's there we go. Okay, so that particular nest is occupied by some sparrows. Now, I actually saw them yesterday stealing the nest material that the little Bananaquits had made on their nest, and a lot of the material was cotton, and they were stealing it and putting that together. So I tried to leave some, let me see if I can find it. I had picked up some cotton from a plant, should be here, yeah. So I picked up this from my cotton plant at the front to see if I could say, well, no, look, why don't you take this instead? Don't steal their nest material. And they were trying to defend it as much as they could, but the sparrow, as I say, was a lot bigger. And as we know, sparrows are quite small, but these Bananaquits were so little bit. Anyway, but it's nice to have birds in the garden, and we have about 7 different varieties, as I might have mentioned before. It's the Bananaquits and the sparrows that usually build nests here, and it's really nice to have, let's see if you can come from this side. It's really nice to have the twitterings and hear the young chicks as they try to emerge, and they usually fly into my studio, and I'll show you, there's my studio window, but they usually come in through the door and then they flap around and try and get out here, but there's no exit window, so I have to put my gloves on and grab them and then help them to come out. But yeah, that's the 4 Airbnb, as I call it, nests in the garden. And so there's going to probably be about 4 chicks appearing. The other thing that we have is there's the blackbirds, and they usually fly here and eat whatever's at the top levels of the trees, and you hear their babies make a lot of noise. I mean, they're a lot bigger and they make a lot of noise demanding food. So I just wanted to really share that with you as we're out here in the garden. It's just a quick thing. And just think about the kind of environment you are creating in your space, your green space, for the birds, having the different layers, canopies, different heights of the trees helps them feel more at home, and also providing, some sort of food. So I've got the shack trees, the pods you can see, they have a lot of seeds, so some of the birds eat that. Some of the birds eat the seeds from the moringa tree, from the pods. We get the parakeets come and split open the pods, and insects as well. There's a variety of insects that is available for them to eat. So you're providing this environment where you can all coexist and experience each other, and feel blessed in the space. So I hope, yes, you're also able to find ways in which you can provide for the different life forms in your garden. You can't really eradicate any one particular. Where you've got a pest infestation, you might want to harness the power of predators. You can see the 2 bananaquits. Looks like they would try to go up into the nest there. Anyway, yes. So I'll leave you be and come back. If you're not yet subscribed, please do so and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I post new videos. So take care for now, and join me next time.